Hello everybody. This week I will be talking about my favorite places to eat. My first favorite place to eat is the Filthy Place, located in Rancho Cucamonga, California. Usually I go here with my friends and family. Typically my order is brown rice with salmon or spicy tuna, imitation crab, green onions, seaweed salad, edamame, furikake with spicy mayo and ale sauce drizzled on top. My other favorite place to go is Vince's Spaghetti, also in Rancho Cucamonga. This is a local restaurant, so some of you may not be familiar with it, but they have really delicious spaghetti. Typically, my order is the child's plate with meat sauce and cheese bread. I get the child's plate because they do have very large portions, and I could barely finish the child's plate. My last favorite place to eat is Warehouse Pizza in Laverne, California on D Street. If you haven't tried it, I totally recommend you do. Typically, my order is personal-sized pizza with pepperoni and jalapenos, and of course you have to get the ranch because Warehouse has the best ranch I've ever had. Thank you for watching.